I don't have any kind of cell service out here. These, oh my God. All right. Wow. And I forgot my little two-way. All right. Yeah. Just gotta be extra careful, because I don't think anybody will ever find me back here if I screw up. It's blow down after blow down, trying to get through here. Take it back to the truck. Oh, baby, come on. Yeah. I guess I'll be making a video out of this, and I just, before you all get to watching it, say a few things. Originally, my intention was to get up on the Appalachian Trail, and I know little side trails and ways to cut through the mountain to get to Lost Cove. I've made videos of going to Lost Cove, and it's about a 16-mile trek on these trails to get to Lost Cove. I was probably gonna try and get there, and probably was gonna stay overnight somewhere in between, make it to Lost Cove and camp out for the night, and then try and hike the gorge back down the tracks. Well, there aren't any tracks, I guess, when you get up in there, but I was going to try and hike the gorge back, but ended up not being able to be off and away for enough time. So today my intention was to go kind of skirt around and get down to the tracks and go check out the gorge. This has turned into a whole different day. Pretty crazy. It was an off-trail kind of day, and I hope it's just as amusing to you. There's a little bit of footage of the gorge, and the rest of it, me and the dogs climbing up through this creek trying to get out of there. We got took about 2.5 hours, maybe a little more, to go a mile. And now we're going back this trail. It used to be a road. It's turned into nothing but down trees everywhere. And I guess we're all about tuckered out. Even Burgle finally. That's the first time I've seen him sitting. But I'm gonna get out of here. Hopefully it doesn't take another 2 hours to get this mile. Get back down to the truck, get back, edit this video out, and get it out on the YouTube. So, hope y'all are entertained. Hope y'all enjoy this video. If it's something you want to see, stay tuned. I'm gonna try and get out of here, or y'all are never gonna see it. All right. I haven't been up here in a long time, feels like. Going up this little kind of off the beaten path trail that I guess it's mostly a few hunters that know about it. We'll get up in here to a spot, and I'm gonna climb down the side, kind of steep embankment, maybe it might be 100 yards down, probably not even 100, and hit this little creek, and then follow that creek down along and hit the railroad tracks in the gorge and go explore. I figured it's Sunday and I thought maybe there wouldn't be a lot of workers out. They're really working on getting those tracks back in order. I'm gonna go down here and try and get up in the gorge and see what's going on. So if that's something y'all want to see, stay tuned. I actually have two. That's Bonzo. Two totally different breeds. Everybody thinks they're brothers. Bonzo's a Rottweiler Akita mix, about 7 years old. Burgle is a Mastador, and he is gonna be 2 in December. So he's still a puppy. All right. Burgle. All right, guys, ready? Watch out for snakes. Pretty steep. Almost down. That halfway. Keep going. Go. Wish I could get down that easy. I guess I could, but gotta dig in a little bit. Hey. Almost. It gets pretty thick right here with some rhododendron. This stuff sucks to get down through. It'll really pick your pockets. I'm almost down. I can hear the water. Gotta be careful. Oh. Trying to pick the best route. Maybe right down through there. Big burgle. Almost. Working our way down. Right through here. There we go. I wish I'd have brought something a little better for bushwhacking. My field boss. But Hairbrew Forge instructor model does the trick. Alright. See if I can't. Oh, there we go. Don't want to slip off this ledge easy. Don't want to fall down this rock ledge. Nice and easy. It's a lot easier if I don't have to be filming, but I've been this way before. So I remember all this. I climbed right up through here. There's the stream right down here. Right down here. Almost down to it. Hi. Made it. Whew. Come on, knuckleheads, we're going this way. Come on, we're about ready to go. We're jumping. Here's one. Good boy. How you doing, man? Come here, pup. You having fun? Oh, get it, Virgil. Missed it. That's it. Going to take 5 and then we'll get back to it. All right, baby. I realized I lost my favorite pair of sunglasses. Almost. Get down here and take a little break. Woo! Burgle. You can't have Snickers. Be a good boy. He likes when I do that for some reason. Hey, psst, psst, stay here. A little side-by-side just rolled up the tracks too. Maybe one or two more come down before I go and sneak up there and check out these tracks. Check out this gorge. Burtle's going crazy. Right, come on, let me at it. Bonzo's like, who cares? Don't. He's getting that look. Hey, we can't. All right? Burgle. No, not now. Not now. Hey, we gotta be quiet. All right? Shh. Shh. I hear something. Hey. Just wait just a little longer. Psst. No. Hey. Stay here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna figure this out. I hear something coming. Another one. That one had a load of gravel. I hear another one. They're bringing a few in. So I don't think I'm gonna go up on the tracks. We're gonna go down under this little bit of a bridge, which is a route that I sometimes take to get down along the riverbank and go to a little campsite I had, which I'm about 100% sure is washed out. I just don't want my dogs getting in that nasty water. You know, the last video, they did get in for a minute, and it had been about a week and a half, and by the time they got in and I started thinking about it, I said that probably wasn't a good idea, but they'd already gotten in, so I kind of let them be for that day, and I haven't let them in since, and I don't plan on trying to let them get in there. Not for a long time, because I don't know how long it's going to take before that river clears up, but it's definitely funky looking. It's a different shade of green than I've ever seen it. I can assure you that. We're going to go down under this train bridge and go along the river. Go check it out. Come here, Burgle. Yeah. You stick with me, all right? You gonna be a good boy? I know it's hard being a puppy and all. It's pretty exciting business we got going on here. I know it's exciting. This is crazy how much silt is in here and sand. This is really nuts. It didn't used to be filled up like this. Hey, psst. Wow. Bonzo, don't get in that water. I can smell it. It's nasty. God, it's all washed out. Really crazy. This is pretty amazing. Unreal how much it washed this gorge out. I think they're working right up there where the river makes that bend. But there used to be trees all through here. Man, it's amazing how it just wiped it all out. It was almost all the way up on the tracks right here. You can see where it washed out. A little too much action going on in the tracks today to want to be hiking up them. I guess that's the way it's going to be for a while. I really wanted to go up through the mountain and hit Lost Cove and then come back down that way. Maybe I'll get to do that eventually if I get a couple days off, but for now, looks like this is the best I'm going to get. Looks interesting how much it wiped out. All this bedrock and everything around here, this used to be all trees and dirt and all kinds of stuff on this side of the river. I used to have a camp kind of right over in here, right there, along the river up here. Used to come down, do overnights, and it's all completely gone. We'll walk up the riverbank a little more. As long as I stay off the tracks, maybe they won't care. I'm not on their property. I came through the national forest and under the tracks and to the river here. I think I'm far enough off it that I'm not trespassing, but what do I know? Ain't getting up, well, probably could get up that way, but I'm gonna stick down here. Probably could keep going up through there, but I really just don't want the dogs getting in the water, so we're gonna head back that way. I'm gonna climb back up the side of the mountain the way I came down, keep moving around up through there and do a loop, get up in the mountain a little bit. Up here, up here. Hey, 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 come on, up here. Come on. Bonzo, come on, go. Hold on, Burgle. Hey, easy. There is some rattlesnake plantain. Some downy rattlesnake plantain. Supposedly the only thing that'll help you with a rattlesnake bite if you're up in the mountain. Chew it up, make a poultice, put it on the bite, and it'll help draw the venom out. Hope I never have to find that one out. Eventually, this takes you all the way up. All right, let's get up through here. Yeah. So that's where I went up before. Kind of thinking about maybe heading farther. This is about the farthest I've ever climbed up through this creek to get up top. We'll sit here and think about it for a minute, I think. Glad those two are in good spirits. Not too tired yet. Sure is pretty. Pretty fall day. I guess we'll keep on heading up this creek. Let's hope it ain't Shit's Creek. I'm gonna climb up through here and get down onto that bank. I don't have any kind of cell service out here. And I forgot my little two-way, which I probably could pick somebody up on that. So, just gotta be extra careful, because I don't think anybody will ever find me back here if I screw up. Just gotta be careful. That's it. I don't want to come through here. Looks like I can get right down there into the riverbank. Ah, well, Burgle's way ahead. I just saw him. Should have named him Scout because he's always ahead. But that's such a generic name for a dog. Scout. I don't, if you can't tell, I'm not into generic dog names. Bergelmere's a lot cooler, in my opinion, than Scout. Bergelmere is the name of a frost giant in Norse mythology and translates to mountain, or so if you say Burgle, Burgle is mountain. Bergelmere, mountain yeller. Bergelmere would be bear yeller. So Bergel is bear, Burgle is mountain. That's the knucklehead right there. Big trees. To keep going up through here, it's kind of hard on Bonzo. This is the first time being off trail that I've really noticed it. I had to backtrack back there and come around, and luckily he follows instructions, so he'll come the way I want him to. unless he knows he can't. Trusts me for the most part, but he's getting older where he just can't do what he used to do. So I don't want to leave him home and just have it me and Burgle, but I guess it's better doing that than us getting stuck out here. We're having to backtrack because we can't make it up through a spot. I mean, he's still pretty darn agile, but he just isn't like Burgle. Burgle can get in all kinds of stuff now. He's a little mountain ninja. Bonzo's starting to get a little old. Woo! Maybe I am too. Hey, Bubba, come on. Good boy. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Damn it. Yep. Oh. That's pretty slick. Woo! Big pig, over here. Come on. Up through here. Yeah. We're making progress. At least Burgle is. All right. Time to go back down. Yeah. Up. Yep. Oh yeah. Ah, that smells good. That fresh mountain dirt wafting up into my senses. Back to the creek. Whoa, man, that was a heck of a detour. Now we're in a real pickle trying to get up through that. Burgle's over there in the other part of it. Huh. Come back here real quick. So I could try and get up through there up to the trail. Whew. Man, this is crazy, all the blowdowns through here. Like, normally you'd be able to just hike right up through it. Pretty heinous. Gotta try and figure out how to get the rest of the way up, because I'm not going back. Like, there's more and more blowdowns. I got a feeling the trail I'm heading to is going to be full of blowdowns as well. Good job. Good job, Bonzo. You can do it. Good bub. Let's hope that we can walk the creek for a bit. Time to take a break. Eat something. More and more everywhere we go. Nothing but blowdowns up through this creek. Well, that was pretty cool. My crow friends are chasing away what looked like an osprey. Makes it all worthwhile being out here. All right, just had a snack. Took about, I don't know, a half-hour break. It's been rough going. I just looked at, I have this hunting app, which I have, like, I don't know, it might be like 10 or 15 square miles all through here downloaded, and I can look at that occasionally if I want to, and I'm about maybe 2/3 of the way up to being able to hit the trail. Who knows if there is even a trail, as many blowdowns as there are through here. Like, I don't know if there's going to be a trail there or not, but I mean, we'll figure it out. What's the worst? I shouldn't even say that. We're going to keep trying to get up through there. I'm having fun. I needed this. I needed to get out and get into something like this. Blow some steam. So, hopefully we can make it up through there. We'll see. Let's go this way. See what happens. This way, Papa. Bonzo. Over here. That way. Good boy. Yeah. Good job, Bubba. Keep going. Attaboy. You're doing a good job, my friend. Just make sure he gets under there. Yep, good deal. Now, what am I gonna do? Oh my God. Oh. All right. Yep. Oop. Holy cow. These, oh my God. All right. Wow. Nice. Thank goodness. All right. Gotta keep on trucking. This looks like a hell of a spot. They can get through there easy. Me, it's another story. Hopefully he's getting up through there. Whoa! I guess I could climb up around. Maybe slip up through there. Well, yeah. Come on. There you go. Good job, my friend. All right, should I climb up that? Yeah, I think. I guess. All right. Let's see. Come on, big. Come on. Yeah, come on, big boy. Oh, Bonzo, you gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Oh. Come on. There you go. Go on, honey. Good job. Shouldn't laugh yet. Not a bad boy. Come on. Yeah. Holy cow. Yeah. Sheesh. Come on. There you go. Good job, dude. All right. All right. I'm gonna get off here and keep on going. I need both hands. I have hit a wall of rhododendron, and they move through this pretty easily. But now I wish I would have brought the field boss, William Collins field boss. There's a pretty good chance we could run into a big old black bear out here too, if the wind's blowing right, which isn't that big of a deal. They don't like dogs, and they try and run from people when they can. I don't know whose bright idea it was to hike up this creek here, but they're a knucklehead. We're making it though. Slow going. Got trees all around me. This is crazy. Oh my God. Ah. 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 All right. All right. Nice pool. It has gotten super thick. Might come to the point where I'm just hiking up through this creek. Good job. We are just about just about up to the trail, I think, which is good news because this has been crazy. It has been crazy getting up this creek. It's a whole different ball game when you got a bunch of blowdowns blocking your way. All right, I think I know where we are. We're gonna try and get up in there and hit the trail. I'm almost positive the trail's right up there. Holy cow. Oh man. Holy. Whoa. Oh man. Holy guacamole. Made it. All right. Bonzo made it up. Looks like he's eating some deer poop. Good job, guys. Well, that was pretty crazy. Well, I'd say that was roughly a mile, maybe a little under a mile. And it took me 2.5 hours to get up through that creek. That was pretty crazy. Now, goodness gracious. Good golly, Miss Molly. I'm sure there's more ahead. Something going on up here. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Made it back to the truck. And I lied about losing my favorite sunglasses. These are my favorite sunglasses. These are Grit's old pair of sunglasses. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate it if you stayed till the end. And I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!